merged together. You have the Jackie Kennedy and the Jackie O, and how she reconciled these different phases of her life, to me, has always been really interesting.
Jackie Kennedy was more than just an icon. She was an enigma. Nowhere was this more evident than in her secretive New York apartment. After JFK's assassination in 1963, Jackie sought refuge from the relentless public eye. In 1964, she found solace in a 15th-floor penthouse at 1040 Fifth Avenue, a luxury building designed by Rosario Candela in the 1920s. This limestone-clad residence, with its distinctive asymmetrical roofline, offered her a sanctuary overlooking Central Park and the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Within these walls, Jackie crafted a private world, away from the prying eyes of the public and paparazzi. The apartment's spacious layout included a library, multiple fireplaces, and a balcony with breathtaking views. A perfect retreat for a woman redefining her life. But what truly lay behind those doors at 1040 Fifth Avenue? Why did this apartment become a symbol of Jackie's reinvention? As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the secrets of her sanctuary and explore how this residence reflected her journey from First Lady to a private citizen seeking normalcy amidst extraordinary circumstances. In the aftermath of President John F. Kennedy's assassination in 1963, Jacqueline Kennedy faced profound grief and the relentless glare of public scrutiny. Remaining in Washington, D.C. only intensified her challenges, as the city was a constant reminder of her past and offered little respite from the media's unyielding attention. Seeking a fresh start and a semblance of normalcy for herself and her children, Jackie turned to New York City in 1964. The city promised a unique blend of anonymity amidst its bustling streets and the vibrant cultural scene she cherished. Unlike Washington, New York's residents were accustomed to celebrities, allowing her to blend in more seamlessly and reclaim her privacy. Her choice of residence was both strategic and symbolic. Jackie selected a penthouse on the 15th floor of 1040 Fifth Avenue, a prestigious building designed by Rosario Candela in the 1920s. This limestone-clad structure, with its distinctive asymmetrical roofline, stood as a fortress of luxury and discretion. The building's limited number of spacious apartments ensured an exclusive community, while its prime location offered panoramic views of Central Park and proximity to cultural institutions like the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Within these walls, Jackie found a sanctuary where she could rebuild her life away from the public eye. In this new abode, Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis began to redefine her identity, balancing her roles as a mother, a patron of the arts, and a private citizen seeking solace in the heart of Manhattan. Nestled in Manhattan's Upper East Side, 1040 Fifth Avenue stands as a testament to early 20th century luxury and architectural excellence. Designed by the renowned architect Rosario Candela, the building was completed in 1930. Candela, celebrated for his mastery in crafting opulent residences, imbued 1040 Fifth Avenue with a distinctive limestone facade and an asymmetrical roofline, setting it apart in the city's skyline. From its inception, this 17-story edifice catered to New York's elite. With only 27 expansive apartments, residents enjoyed unparalleled privacy and exclusivity. Over the decades, the building has been home to notable figures such as Generoso Pope, an influential Italian-American businessman and newspaper publisher. The presence of Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, who resided in a penthouse from 1964 until her passing in 1994, further elevated the building's mystique and allure. The design of the building emphasizes both luxury and discretion. The canopied entrance, adorned with intricate cast-iron doors, offers a grand yet private welcome. The building's limited number of residences ensures a tight-knit community, while its prime location provides residents with breathtaking views of Central Park and proximity to cultural landmarks like the Metropolitan Museum of Art. For Jackie, constantly pursued by the media, this building served as a sanctuary, offering the seclusion and security she sought in the heart of New York City. Jackie Kennedy Onassis's apartment wasn't just an address. It was a reflection of her refined taste, her love for beauty, and her desire for a peaceful retreat from the world. Though the exact details of her residence remain largely private, speculation and glimpses from rare photographs offer insight into the elegant space she called home. The apartment reportedly spanned several floors, featuring high ceilings, grand windows, and classic architectural details that exuded old-world charm. The living spaces were likely adorned with French-inspired decor, rich yet understated, with antique furniture, delicate chandeliers, and plush seating that invited long conversations over a cup of tea. The color palette had soft creams, deep blues, and warm golds, hues that reflected both serenity and sophistication. Bookshelves lined the walls, filled with literature, history, and art books that reflected Jackie's intellectual curiosity. She was an avid reader, and her personal library was said to be one of her most cherished spaces. There were rumors of a secret reading nook, a quiet escape where she could immerse herself in the written word, away from the demands of the outside world. Beyond books, Jackie had a keen appreciation for art. Her walls were likely adorned with carefully curated pieces, including works from her travels, classic European paintings, and perhaps even contemporary art that spoke to her evolving tastes. Every detail in her home was chosen with intention, creating an atmosphere of quiet luxury. One of the apartment's most stunning features was its balcony overlooking Central Park. This private terrace provided a breathtaking view of the city's changing seasons, blossoming cherry trees in spring, golden foliage in autumn, and snow-covered pathways in winter. It was here that Jackie found solace, gazing at the park she often strolled through, blending into the city while still remaining untouchable. As for guests, only a select few were ever invited into Jackie's inner sanctum. Close friends, literary minds, and members of her carefully guarded circle shared in the warmth of her home, where every detail spoke to the woman who had mastered the art of living gracefully in the public eye while fiercely protecting her private world. In the years following her return to New York City, Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis crafted a life that balanced professional dedication with personal fulfillment. Embracing her passion for literature, she embarked on a successful career in publishing, first joining Viking Press as an editor and later moving to Doubleday. At Viking, she worked on titles that reflected her interests in history and art, such as Remember the Ladies, a tribute to women's roles in 18th-century America, and In the Russian Style, an exploration of Tsarist Russian artifacts. Her tenure at Doubleday was marked by notable projects, including Michael Jackson's autobiography, Moonwalk, which topped bestseller lists in 1988, and Kelsey Kirkland's memoir, Dancing on My Grave. Jackie's colleagues admired her keen editorial insight and her ability to champion authors while maintaining a low profile. She once recounted a taxi driver's remark, "Lady, you work and you don't have to? I think that's great." Despite her public persona, Jackie managed to lead a relatively private life in Manhattan. She was often seen strolling through Central Park or browsing local bookstores, exuding an air of elegance that deterred intrusive attention. Her demeanor commanded respect, allowing her to navigate the city's streets with a sense of normalcy. However, the paparazzi's relentless pursuit occasionally breached her personal space. In one notable 1969 incident, after attending a controversial film screening, Jackie confronted a persistent photographer on a Manhattan sidewalk. Demonstrating unexpected physical prowess, she reportedly flipped the paparazzo over her thigh, leaving him stunned and highlighting her resolve to protect her privacy. Throughout her time in New York, Jackie cultivated a close-knit circle of friends and maintained a strong focus on her family. She was a devoted mother to her children, Caroline and John Jr., guiding them through their formative years away from the public eye. Her apartment at 1040 Fifth Avenue served as a sanctuary where she could entertain guests in an intimate setting, fostering genuine connections without the intrusion of the media. In essence, Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis's life in New York was a testament to her resilience and ability to carve out a space of her own amidst the city's vibrant tapestry. Following Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis's passing in 1994, her cherished penthouse underwent a series of notable transitions. The estate sold the 15th-floor residence in 1995 to billionaire industrialist David Koch for a then-record $9.5 million. Koch invested an additional $10 million in extensive renovations, enhancing the apartment's grandeur. By 2006, seeking more space for his growing family, Koch listed the property, which was subsequently purchased by hedge fund manager Glenn Dubin and his wife, Eva, for approximately $30 million. Today, 1040 Fifth Avenue remains one of Manhattan's most prestigious addresses. The building's exclusivity and historical significance continue to attract discerning buyers. While specific details about the current occupants of Jackie's former apartment are private, the residence's legacy endures, with its storied past contributing to its allure. The building's prime location, offering panoramic views of Central Park and proximity to cultural landmarks, ensures its status as a coveted property in New York's luxury real estate market. Jackie Kennedy's refined and understated approach to luxury has left an indelible mark on modern celebrity real estate. Her preference for classic elegance over ostentation set a standard for sophistication. This influence is evident in contemporary design trends, where subtle opulence and timeless aesthetics are favored. Properties associated with iconic figures like Jackie often see enhanced value as their histories add a layer of desirability. The enduring appeal of such residences underscores the lasting impact of Jackie's style on luxury living. In essence, the journey of Jackie Kennedy's apartment post-1994 reflects both the evolution of a historic space and the perpetuation of a design philosophy that continues to inspire elegance and exclusivity in modern real estate. Jackie Kennedy's residence at 1040 Fifth Avenue was more than just a home. It symbolized her resilience and transformation. Within its walls, she crafted a sanctuary that balanced public life with personal solace, embodying her enduring elegance. Even in seclusion, Jackie remained America's quintessential style icon, her refined taste influencing design aesthetics for generations. Today, the grand halls of the apartment still echo with her legacy, a testament to grace, mystery, and quiet strength. On this bright note, we draw the curtains on today's episode. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.